I'm going to explain to you on how to use Pythagoras theorem to solve questions. So as you can see here, we have a right angle triangle. So this means that Pythagoras theorem only works for right angle triangle. And it is also used to prove that a triangle is a right angle triangle. So for Pythagoras theorem to be true, alright, I'm going to give this A, the length of that, B, and C. So for that to be true, Pythagoras theorem, we have C equal to A plus B. But that's not all, because you need to add a square on top of each of them. So C square is equal to A square plus B square, and this is Pythagoras theorem. So whatever you press in the calculator, your C square, the value of that must be equal to whatever on the other side, which is A square plus B square. Okay, I'm going to show you an example on how this works. So we have a right angle triangle here, and I'm going to give this the longer side 5 units and this to be 3 units, and the unknown would be x. To find the unknown x, all we need to do is to follow the Pythagoras theorem formula. 5 square is equal to 3 square plus x square. Okay, so to find x square, first we shift the 3 square over the other side. So 5 square minus 3 square is equal to x square. Okay, to remove the square, all we need to do is to square root both sides so that the square can cancel out with the square root. So that will give you x to be 4 units. Okay, next I am going to explain to you on how Trigo ratio works. Because Pythagoras theorem is used for right angle triangle, Trigo ratio also used for right angle triangle only. So I'm going to draw a right angle triangle here. So Trigo ratio, what I mean is, you will see in the calculator tangent, cosine, and sine. So tangent, cosine, and sine. Alright, so this tangent, cosine, and sine, a lot of people will remember it by toa. Alright, so I'm going to use different color so that you can see toa, ka, and so. Alright. Okay, as you can see, we have O, A, and H. So the first thing that we need to do is to find O and H. And H is easily found because it's always opposite to the right angle triangle. I mean the right angle, sorry. So it's always opposite to the right angle. So this is the right angle. Alright, I'm going to use yellow for H. So this means this is my H, my hypotenuse. Okay, the next step is to find the O. So if let's say if I have this as my angle, my O will be opposite to the angle, and that's all. The first two things you need to find is the H and the O. But the thing to take note that the O will not always be there. Alright, okay, so this is my H. My H will always be there. Right, this is my H. But now let's say if my angle is here, my O will be now here. Alright, so as you can see that O will change, and this means that A will also change depending on the angle that they give you. So A in this case will be here. So let's say for example we want to find the angle of an unknown right angle triangle. So in order to do that, we have a right angle triangle first. Let's say for example I give this as theta, and I'm going to give you this as 5 units, and this is 3 units. And I didn't give you the longer side, but that doesn't matter. As long as you have 2 sides given, you can find the unknown angle. So in order to do that, first we have to label. We have to find out where is my H and my O. So this is my O because it's opposite to the angle, And as you can see, opposite to the right angle here, I have my H. So this means that my unknown, the only thing that I do not have is my A. Okay, so I have my H here, my H, my O, and my A. Alright, so but you do not have the H, you only have the A and the O, right? Because I only give you 5 and 3, and that happen to be the opposite and the adjacent side. So as you can see, we have tua ka so. So we have O and A. So you can see that we have O and A here. The rest is A and H, O and H. So we cannot use that, we can only use TOA, T-O-A. This means that it will be tangent, angle, and sine, cosine, tangent is always with the angle is together. So we have TOA, so tangent angle is equal to O over A. And my O is 5 and my A is 3. Alright, so this is tangent angle. And in order to find the angle, we have to divide the tangent over to the other side. And that will get you tangent inverse, 5 over 3. Right? And if you're going to press this in the calculator, you're going to find your angle. Okay, that's all for Pythagoras Theorem and Trigo Ratio. Thanks for watching. Do like, comment, and share below. We will see you the next time.